serious crime, Griff. It led as... Fuck! Ugh.
Next message.
Hello again, Griff. It's me, Jigsaw. And I... Fucking try it again.
Next message.
Griff, you shitty person.
Next message.
Hello again, Griff. It's time for you to die. Below you are 25 spikes. Every minute you will inch closer to those spikes, and you will be eaten alive by the destructive, painful power of each small pinpoint, small pinprick. You will not survive after 30 seconds. Therefore, oh, fucking God damn it, that was the one, too! That was the one! That was the fucking...